Nurses, doctors, and medical professionals everywhere have been risking their lives during the COVID-19 pandemic. But there's one group of essential workers that aren't on the news, yet they're on the front lines: professional cleaners.
We like to say they're the forgotten unsung heroes in this whole battle. We don't hear about them. Before COVID, they cleaned it a lot of times at night. You wouldn't see them. Maybe they come by your office at 6 p.m. or you'd see them in the school occasionally. But mostly, they're really the unsung heroes in this fight.
Josh Feinberg, president of the Cleaning Coalition of America, says that cleaners are behind almost every facet of any essential business and should be acknowledged in this crisis as well.
So you wouldn't be able to have a hospital open unless those cleaners were there. Or any building that's open today, be it a doctor's office, the grocery store, anything that's open today is required. So, they are as much on the front lines as anybody else.
Feinberg says because essential workers aren't prioritized, he's worried about a shortage of PPE as states begin to open up.
Because what happens right now, hospitals, healthcare workers, they should be getting it first. The first responders, be it our police, our firemen, et cetera, they should be getting it too. But when we start to open things up, we have to make sure that those cleaners have priority access.
In the upcoming days, the coalition plans to submit letters to the White House and Congress to request protection and ensure cleaners get the assistance they need moving forward. In the meantime, Feinberg has a message for everyone to keep in mind while thinking of the COVID-19 crisis.
If you see a cleaner out and about, please thank them. That'd be the first thing. Just show your appreciation and thank them, because morale is as important as anything else these days for anybody who's on the front line, and especially those cleaners who are often forgotten. We just need to make sure that we spread the word. We need to make sure that our policymakers, that anyone that you talk to understands just how essential these cleaners are, and that they deserve to be kept safe through the priority access to supplies. And we need funding in order to keep them employed.
To find out how you can help cleaners during this time, you can visit abm.com/COVID-19. Reporting for BronxNet, Darissa White.